doesn't snore as loud as you.
I was tired last night. I slept till 10:30 this morning.
Yeah, you was tired then.